What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I just went and picked up the 16-foot by 6.5-foot trailer yesterday, about an hour away from me. Tires are like decent. I gotta grease it. I just got done pressure washing it off at the car wash. Just some dirt and stuff. Wood ain't too bad condition. It needs to be repainted, and I don't have a power washer to get all the dirt off at my home, so and not too bad condition, but needs some work for sure. But it's a pretty nice trailer. Gotta do some welding right there, then we're gonna get home and drop this back off at my house. Alright guys, it's been a few hours since I filmed the last part, so I just got done cutting off the wiring, and I'm gonna shorten the chains up right now with the grinder, the wall grinder, so they're properly lengthened. We're gonna hit this with a wire wheel since we did the power wash earlier. Alright guys, we're just taking a flap disc and just going over everything, all the rough spot stuff all over the frame today. Get most of it done, then tomorrow wipe it down and start painting and fix a couple things like that. Gotta get that pulled out. On the other side, the fender needs to be pulled out on both sides, on that and that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going and I'll see you guys. What's up, guys? So we just started painting this the next day using some oil-based enamel paint just to paint this. I already started doing the tongue, doing the outside first, so working halfway, doing the underside, everything. I'm gonna do this side, then I'm gonna do the inside rail of this side, then work on the outside of the right side, then do the inside of right. All right guys, so I ended up getting the first coat painted. I got most of the whole outside. Taking a lunch break now. I got that fender. I'm gonna let it dry for about an hour or two before I paint the other side. I mean, I painted basically everything, but you know, there's still spots that need to be painted over again. You know, some light spots that I didn't fully cover, but it's coming out good. I gotta get the rest of the fender, and I gotta do the underneath A-frame from there to there on both sides, and I gotta do the gate still and do all these like little supports in those sides. So other than that, it's come out great. You know, do the underside of there, you know, make it all nice, but it's coming out good. I'll show you guys when it gets done. All right guys, so we got the trailer painted all the way besides underneath here, and I just took the wheels off. Gotta get some paint today for the wheels and get the wheels painted tomorrow, and I gotta wash underneath again. It doesn't even look like I even washed the trailer, but I did. So I'll wash this in a little bit, let it dry, but I gotta let the paint dry first before I paint this. And you know, there's a few small spots I gotta re-hit tomorrow, plus I gotta paint the gate tomorrow as well. So the fender wells and the gate, and probably put the safety stickers on tonight. What's up guys? So just got done shooting most of the fender wells. I gotta do the top side of the underneath anyways, using a paint gun. These cheap Harbor Freight guns are alright, but the more expensive ones are way better. These ones sort of suck. So if you want a good one, buy the one that's like $50. Don't waste your money on this $10 one unless you're gonna just do a quickie and throw it away. Got the first coat of the paint on the trailer deck done, and just touching up spots still. But other than that, it's coming out pretty good, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep painting, then we're gonna work on the other side, and then let it bake in the sun. Alright guys, got all the wiring done on the trailer, all of it wired up. Now I just gotta do the wheels, paint the wheels and slip the wheels, and put stickers on these, on the trailer, DOT stickers. Alright guys, we're getting the safety stickers on, one there, one up there. I gotta put one there and one there, and I gotta put one there and one there as well. Just using a heat gun. It's a little chilly out. This just helps preheat the paint and the metal, and then I go back over these with the heat gun again, just to help secure that glue, make sure it stays on. I'll show you guys when I get done. All right, guys, trailer's all complete. It's online for sale. Trying to get this trailer sold, and this is Saturday the 25th. You guys will be seeing this tonight. Thanks for watching, whoever watches it, and I'll see you guys next time.